folks, Gladys Guerrier with FYI, Free Your Intellect. This is blog number 4, week 4. Today I'm going to introduce you to both Allie and Aennoora, my cat and my dog. I hope you enjoy. Aennoora, why don't you do something cute for Mama? Oh, Aennoora, what's you crying about? Stop your whining. Dinner time. Aennoora, stay. Put it back. You have to put it right back where you eat. Come on. Hey! Try to take her food away. Aennoora! You can't move your food in here. I'm telling you. Come on. Take it right back where it goes. Look at her. Hey, hey, hey. Take the food back to the bowl. Come on, Aennoora. Over here. Aennoora. Come on. That's where you eat. Come on, what are you thinking of, girlie? Stay there. Aennoora, look. Are you posing? Are you posing? I think that's what they do these days. I don't know. I know. I'm silly. Constantly. This is how I know when Allie's at the door. But these two, they're just so cute together. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this week's blog. And please don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you all again next week. Bye for now, folks.